Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be talking about how to calculate the present value and future value of annuity by using Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we know a formula to calculate the present value of annuity. The formula is equal sign, then PV, first bracket. Now we need rate. Rate is here 7%. Click on this, comma, and per means number of year is 15, comma, and again comma. Payment, here is the payment $1000. Click on it, and now we need FB, but here is no FB, so we can skip this, like 0, comma, again type, we have no type, so 0 and bracket close, hit enter. Here is the PVA. Thank you. Okay, now we will calculate the future value of annuity. To calculate the future value of annuity, here is the formula. The formula is equal sign, then FB, first bracket, then we need rate is 7%. Click on this, comma, n per means number of year, comma, and payment, here is the payment 1000, comma, and we have no PV, so write down here 0 and in comma and again 0, type because we have no type, bracket close, hit enter. Here is the FBA. So thank you for watching.